Welcome to the Emily Black importing material videos. I'm not sure if I've done this before. I don't think I have. I did it, but I don't think I ever posted it. But this is the issue. If you watched Emily Black's video, I don't know where was it. If you go to this is here it is. It's over here. It's in the forum right announcements. And this is a really pretty good video. Quick tip importing videos. And what she did in this thing here, she created a material and she put it on our desktop and she created this material. Big deal. I get that. But the point is, she put that file, that texture file, on the desktop. And my question is I'm sure she creates more than one material. I mean, or anybody would create more than one material. In the end, you'd end up with 50 materials. So you can leave those all on your desktop. It seems like you need to put them in a folder, because the point of this is you always have to keep it on your computer somewhere. Otherwise, you're not going to get it. And here's a perfect example. I made this right here made a new texture for Alan, and this is the texture right here. And what is that? That texture is Floor Alan 5. Okay. Now, just so you know, that file for me is in my desktop live. It's in a library of mine. It's called textures, and it's in my flooring textures. I think it's and that's shit. Now how did I do it? I think that's what I used. I think yeah, it's here. It is the floor Porcella dark wood. You can see it right here. I used that file. I named it this, but that's really the file I'm using, and that file is in this texture folder on my desktop somewhere. But here's the point. Suppose I get rid of this. Suppose I did get rid of this. Because, I mean, if you put it on your desktop, pretty soon you're going to end up with 1,000 of these things. And my point is you have to keep them. So, and I don't want to clutter up my desktop, so you got to put it in a folder, I think. So I'm just going to right now prove, hang on. No. Copy, paste. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. So I'm still going to have one. I'm going to get rid of this. Watch, delete this. Yes. Okay. See, it can't find the texture anymore because I got rid of it. Okay, I can't even. Flora. Oh, okay, fine. I guess I have to. How do I get out of this? Okay, control. Say I don't want to W. I want to delete it. Delete it. Don't save. I'm gonna make another one, and I'm gonna prove to you that now that I got rid of that texture, it's not in my library anymore. It's not there at all. No ceiling over this room. Shift G. This is it here. We're looking in render mode. Now I'm gonna give this floor finish. I have to go to the library. You nitwit. Library. If I come over here to my library, where I save that thing, user catalog, that's Floor Alan 5. See, no texture. So you've got to keep that. See, it's not there anymore because I threw it away. So what I can do though is now, since I copied it, I can select this, and they can't find that one, so I need to browse this and just use the copy. And now everything's going to be copacetic. Now it's back again. See that? So I think that's one thing that Emily didn't do that she should have emphasized, that you have to keep that somewhere. And when I first started doing these things, first of all, I didn't realize you had to keep them. I mean, once I thought they were in file, they were in file. But I've got textures here, and then I think I've got pictures. I think I got some of my materials in this folder here. I think, I don't know, maybe. See, I got confused. I didn't know what I was doing. Oh, material download. Oh, see, I got material downloads. Yeah, brick, paver, sand, grass. I got some over here. Oh, this is Sam. Oh, Sam. I don't know. Pavers. I have them in two different folders. That's my point. Because I didn't know what I was doing. I might even have some in pictures. The point is, when you start doing this stuff, it'd be smart if you decided, okay, I'm going to start importing some of my own textures and creating them. make sure you have a library, and this is as good a place as any. On the desktop, library is your library and textures. I think, for all I know, I made that library up. Can I make a new library? New library, yeah. Test, yeah. Yeah. Oh, pictures. Yeah, look at this icon right here. Well, I mean, why do I have that particular icon? Can I change that icon? I don't know. Music, pictures, plans, test, textures. Yeah. Anyway, that's the point of this. The point of this was you've got to learn that you've got to save those textures to a library and never get rid of them. And the mistake Emily Black made, I think, was putting them on her desktop and not explaining to us that we need to put them in a library. That's the end.